Hello friends, welcome to lmsdaily.com. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can use the switch role functionality in Moodle. Switch role functionality is very useful functionality in terms of how your course will look alike for your students. You can simply click the switch role button to switch to a student's role and see how your course will look for them. So let's get started and click on the login button of your Moodle site. For this specific video, I am using the Moodle demo website. So we'll just click on the login button here and log in as a teacher. You will get the credentials in the below form here. So I already saved as a teacher username and password. So now once you are logged in, just go to any course. And on the top right bar, if you click on your profile picture, then on the bottom you will see this button named switch role to. Just click on this one, and here you can see the roles on which you can switch the role from teacher. As of now, I am logged in as a teacher, so I am just seeing the roles which are below the capability of a teacher. If I would have been logged in as a administrator, then I would have been seeing one more role here with the name of teacher. So let's click on the student role here. So this is how your students will see the course when they navigate into Moodle. This switch role functionality is not perfect, as the user might not see all the things in totality while using the switch role, as well as they might see some additional features. So I would better recommend you to log in as a student in another browser window on your computer to check out the complete view of your course as a student, as well as how the interface, the grades and everything will look alike to them. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon on the bottom